Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Ow, I just... Jesus Christ. That's gonna get old quick. I'm sorry. And we're here. OSW.
Mike Sexy So.
Alright guys, day 2 in Orlando. Today we're drifting, which is sick because it's the first time drifting and it literally feels like a year. What's drifting? I forgot what drifting is. I don't remember how to do this.
I don't even know what it is.
I apologize for the dirt bikes in the background. They're really loud, but whatever. So, today we are drifting the LZ. The LZZ.
Z that LZ owns.
Yes. Yeah. It looks rough, but it drives great, and it's a funky car to drive, but I'm excited just to spin some tire today, so. You gonna say something?
You're a bitch.
Okay, so yeah, today's gonna be a great day. I'm really excited, and thank you for letting me spin some tire for the first time in ever.
Yeah.
Really
Did you want me to invoice this to RJ or to you? I don't know who does your
Yeah, send it to RJ, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I got the GoPro mic'd up. As you guys could imagine, you know, just drifting a skid pad isn't the most entertaining thing ever, so I'm gonna kind of keep it short, but I'm excited just to be out there, and we'll see. I don't know what to expect from today, honestly. Like, I'm not really doing this for a video, obviously. I'm just kind of excited to be here and have some fun. So this thing's crazy, right? It's got YSFAB and all these crazy tone arms, whatever. So it definitely has an interesting driving style, but I'll get used to it. Okay, it's only happy in angle, so big angle. It feels like it's gonna spin out any second, but it just takes it. Oh my God, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I go to throw it, and I'm like, oh no, I'm spinning out. This is completely spun out, and it's like, no, this is where it wants to be. So let's get used to YSFAB. Alright, a lot of angle. Loves the angle. Yep, flick it hard. Yep. Loves the angle. Slow it. And try not to overcenter. Okay, cool. I get it. There we go. I'm still more like left-hand biased than I'd like to be, but I could definitely feel myself getting more comfortable in knowing how the car is going to respond to this. This is basically just POV video of me driving Adam LZ's drift cars. So we got the Chaser JZ E36. It's like a 400 horsepower one JZ. It might have more power. Who knows? We're going to find out. But I love this car because you could literally like drive this thing to the grocery store, and you could also fully survive drift week in it and have a great time. So. Oh, did I? Okay, almost spun the intro.
Come on, James.
There we go. Okay, once it's in drift, it's... Oh my God, this thing has so much power. Jeez, Adam. Jesus, oh my God. So much grip in like the weirdest places. It's so crazy just hopping from one car to another. This thing's kind of all or nothing, so we just got to figure out where the happy all point is. Not that I just spun on the entry point. Don't spin the chaser, don't spin the chaser, chaser, don't spin the chaser. There we go. Oh, this thing just flies. Okay, you can't throw it like the 350Z. You have to walk it a little bit, but Jesus Christ. Okay. It's feeling good. It's crazy because the power band is definitely higher. So if you let the RPMs drop, you could definitely feel the chassis chug a little bit. So you kind of have to drive it like an SR car that just has way more power because the power band is just all up here. I mean, at least if you don't want to clutch kick it. There we go. Didn't botch the entry. All right, try to modulate the throttle a little bit. Trying to be too spiky. Smooth. There we go. Okay, here we go. You got to be real graceful with this car. There we go. That's a good line. Usually when you're on turbo cars, it's very like, you know, jerky, I guess. This car really likes to be danced. Awesome. That looks good? Yeah. Thank you. You kind of have to walk it like almost like an S chassis. We have to walk it through. You can't just flick it through like the Z.
Yeah. Oh, that looked great though.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Feel free to do another lap if you want.
Yes, thank you. There we go. That was awesome. Nope, and I flunked. Damn it. Yeah, you really can't, like Adam said, you can't flick this car. You got to really walk it. Even though it's not as easy to control as the other cars here, I really enjoy driving this one quite a bit. Continuing on with my POV of driving Adam's cars today. This is his 1.5 JZ E36. I think he basically built this car to be a competing car for clutch kickers, but he even compares this to his S15, which is maddening because that's a Pro 1 car. I've never drifted anything to this caliper in terms of speed and grip. You have to be balls to the wall the whole entire time. So let's see what happens. Already a tight fit.
Start in second, then just go to third.
Start in second, go to third? Okay. So let's get a feel for it first and go from there. Okay, second. Oh, okay, we got this, man. Oh man, it's got so much grip. Ooh, okay, okay. The steering is a little wonky at full lock, but oh. All right, we got to feel where all the grip is. So when you got the wheel speed up, it's very floaty like any other car, but if you could like bring the wheel speed down and your angle down, it just dives so fast. Like just like that, there we go. Oh my god, he's gonna have to pull me out of this car. I want to drive this thing all day. It's crazy when you're in the driver, like it's so fast, but when you're the driver, it's so much more tameable, I guess. It seems so ridiculous in the passenger seat, but in the driver's seat, I want more. I would kill to drive this thing on like a actual fast track so you could really feel the chassis, but this is awesome. I know it's nothing crazy watching me do laps on a skid pad in someone else's car, but man, is this such a blast. I really wish we could bring it to like a big track and just let it eat. Throw big. It's insane because it's just so stable. It's so fast and just so crazy, but it's just so controllable that it doesn't intimidate you at all. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, Adam, thank you so much.
That's great. All right, JZ E36 is down. Well, Adam just used up all the tires. 350Z, power steering pump failed. And well, I got plenty of seat time to be happy. First time drifting it once and it felt amazing. I'm just happy to be here. This is just all amazing bonus time. So I'm not really out here to make videos. I'm kind of just out here enjoying myself and trying to throw a video in while I have time. And well, today I got to do a little driving, and I know it's not the most exciting thing because right, it's a skid pad. Like what? No one wants to really watch that over and over again. But huge shout out to Adam for letting me play with this stuff today. Really appreciate it. We got a lot of stuff going on tonight, and I gotta find time to edit this video and get it out for you guys. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. We got some big plans this week. Really excited, and for now, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys soon.